Did you know that a small shot of ginger can boost your health in surprising ways? In recent years, health enthusiasts around the world have been reaching for an unexpected remedy that packs a powerful punch: the ginger shot. While many people are familiar with ginger as a flavorful ingredient in recipes, its concentrated form has become a trending health tonic, popping up in juice bars, cafes, and even home kitchens. But what exactly is driving this surge in popularity? And why are so many people making ginger shots a daily ritual? Ginger shots are simple yet potent beverages, typically made by juicing fresh ginger root and sometimes blending it with other healthful ingredients like lemon, honey, or turmeric. The result is a small, intensely flavorful drink that delivers the essence of ginger in its purest, most concentrated form. Although the taste might be bold and spicy, the benefits make it worth every sip. For those seeking a natural way to support their health, ginger shots are quickly becoming a go-to solution. To understand why ginger shots are gaining such a devoted following, it's important to consider some of the common health challenges people face today. Inflammation, digestive discomfort, sluggish immune response, use. These are just a few of the issues that can sap our energy and diminish our well-being. Many of us deal with bloating after meals, joint aches, or the constant threat of seasonal colds and flu. While modern medicine offers many remedies, a growing number of people are looking for natural approaches to support their bodies from the inside out. This is where ginger shines. Let's start by examining one of the most celebrated benefits of ginger: its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response by the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to a range of health issues, from minor aches and pains to more serious conditions like arthritis and heart disease. Ginger contains powerful compounds known as gingerols and shogaols, which have been shown to reduce inflammation at the cellular level. By incorporating ginger shots into your daily routine, you may help your body manage inflammation more effectively, leading to reduced joint discomfort and improved overall mobility. But the benefits don't stop there. Ginger has long been prized for its ability to support digestion. If you've ever sipped ginger tea to soothe an upset stomach, you're already familiar with this effect. Ginger shots take it to the next level. They stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, help food move more efficiently through the digestive tract, and can even ease symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and nausea. For people who struggle with digestive issues, whether it's occasional discomfort or ongoing conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, adding a ginger shot to the morning routine can make a noticeable difference. It's a natural, gentle way to help your gut feel its best. Immune support is another area where ginger shots truly excel. Our immune systems face constant challenges from viruses, bacteria, and environmental stressors. Ginger's bioactive compounds have been shown to enhance immune function by promoting healthy immune cell activity and fighting off harmful pathogens. Some studies even suggest that ginger can help combat respiratory infections and reduce the severity of cold symptoms. When combined with other immune-boosting ingredients like lemon or honey, a ginger shot can provide a daily defense against whatever life throws your way. The science backs up these benefits. In one compelling study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers found that ginger extract significantly reduced markers of inflammation in participants with osteoarthritis, leading to improved joint function and decreased pain. Another study in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine highlighted ginger's ability to support immune health, particularly in people exposed to high levels of stress. These findings are echoed by countless personal testimonies from people who have experienced the transformative effects of ginger shots firsthand. Take the story of Emily, a busy professional who struggled for years with bloating and low energy. After reading about ginger shots online, she decided to give them a try. Within just a few weeks of starting her daily ginger shot ritual, Emily noticed that her digestion felt smoother and her afternoon energy crashes were a thing of the past. She also found herself getting sick less often, even during the height of cold and flu season. For Emily and many others like her, this simple habit became a cornerstone of better health. So, what's the best way to incorporate ginger shots into your routine? Many people find that taking a ginger shot in the morning sets a positive tone for the day, kickstarting digestion and providing a natural burst of energy. Others prefer to enjoy one before meals to aid digestion, or at the first sign of a sore throat to help ward off illness. Because ginger is so potent, even a small amount can deliver big benefits. If you're new to ginger shots, you might want to start with a half shot and gradually increase as your body adjusts to the intensity. Of course, the key to reaping the full benefits of ginger shots is consistency. Like any healthy habit, the effects are most pronounced when practiced regularly. Make it part of your daily self-care routine, and you may soon notice improvements in your digestion, immunity, and overall sense of vitality. Let's recap the main benefits of drinking ginger shots. First, they're a natural and effective way to reduce inflammation, helping to ease joint pain and support long-term health. Second, they provide powerful digestive support, soothing discomfort, and promoting more efficient digestion. Third, they enhance your immune system, helping you stay healthy and resilient no matter what the season brings. Backed by science and real-life success stories, ginger shots are more than just a trend. They're a time-tested tonic for modern living. If you're seeking a simple, natural way to feel your best, consider adding ginger shots to your daily diet. With their remarkable array of health benefits, it's no wonder they've captured the attention of health enthusiasts everywhere. Give it a try, listen to your body, and discover firsthand the surprising power of ginger. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of ginger shots and want more tips on natural health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Your journey to better health starts with just one small shot.